Here is how you can log out and log back into your Roblox account on your Android or iPhone. First, you need to go ahead and open your Roblox application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, you need to scroll down and tap on Log Out, which is below the Quick Sign In option. Then again, tap on Log Out to confirm. Now, in order to log back in, you need to go ahead and tap on Sign In option that is below the Create Account. Now, simply go ahead and enter your username or email, and then enter your password over here, and you'll be instantly logged into your account. If you forgot your password, you can tap on Forgot Password to reset it, and you can also use your quick login if you have it enabled. Logging out can help resolve errors or connection problems in the Roblox mobile app. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.